everyone, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel Little Secret Book. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make milk toffee. Now let's go and see how we are gonna make it. You need one Milkmaid bottle, some butter and some vanilla and 500 grams of sugar and some water. Before you're going to make milk toffee, you have to prepare your tray first. I don't have a special tray for this, so I'm using the baking tray which comes with the oven. Butter up your whole tray like this. This will help you to remove your milk toffees from the tray as quickly as possible. Get your non-stick pan and add 1 bottle of Milkmaid to it. Make sure you're keeping up with the medium heat. Gradually add your 500 grams of sugar. Then add half cup of water little by little. Wait until water gets soaked up and then keep stirring it with a wood spatula. This will bubble up like this after 5 to 7 minutes. So now our mixture is ready. Your mixture should be looks like this. Not too thick, but not too thin. Now put your mixture to the tray that you have prepared earlier. Make sure to even your mixture like this. Wait 3 to 5 minutes and then start cutting it. If you have waited too long, you may not be able to cut it like this.